Alright guys, DK12 again. Welcome back to 3D Ultra Lionel Traintown Deluxe. Let's do the last job, which is a day at the circus.
Oh, how wonderful! You've managed to unlock this special job and get to spend all day at the circus. Mind though, no cotton candy until all the loads are delivered.
Okie doke. Oh, and there's a big dinosaur here. And watch, he eats he can eat the sheep right here, watch. He will actually eat a sheep. Man, this is gonna take a while, but yeah, he will actually eat sheep from this thing here. We'll just slow down so that yeah, it actually takes a while for him to eat a sheep. See, he just ate one. Now first we'll do this. Or if you click on the load that needs to be delivered, he'll say this. Yeah, whatever.
You have a new delivery.
All right. Or watch this.
You need to pick up this load.
Yeah, I know. Alright, we made it. Just for fun, we'll do this. There we go. And the final job you unlock in all the job rosters will have a special tournament at the end.
Delightfully done, I must say. Is there anything as lovely as a circus?
Alright, in the next video, we will be doing the hobo bouncer jobs. So, peace out.